I have an Apple Pencil 2 that isn't working. Basically, let me show you what happens. Connects. Says it's 100%. Don't know if you saw that, but anyways, open Procreate. Nothing. Doesn't respond to double tap. Nothing. Tried it on other iPads, same thing. But when it's connected, it says 100% battery. I'm guessing that the battery is fully gone, so when I pull it off of here, it's just super dead. Anyways, so what I did was I bought replacement batteries, a couple of those, and a couple of the little internal nibs inside there. And also, since the only way that I could find to take this apart is destructively, there's a little replacement case. But also this, I was going to replace this anyway because it's a little chewed up. So, okay, twist off this little guy. I have the Dremel tool here, ready to go. Let's see how this goes. Alright, these aren't exactly protective glasses, but here it comes. Come on, you can do it. What is holding us on here? Some adhesive. Hey, there it goes. Throw this away. I don't think I damaged this. Let's see. There's a coil there that looks fine. Maybe I scraped this up a little bit here. I don't know. A little bit there. Looks fine. On the other side, hit the metal a little bit. Here. And there. I'm guessing I didn't damage it. Alright. Alright, one naked Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil 2. My bad. Okay, so looks like I'm going to use a little bit of hot air on low. Basically fold this over. And then there's a little plug in here. Should hopefully just come out. It's not exactly what I wanted to happen. Little fine pliers here. Oh yeah, a little bit of hot air is the way to go with that. I figured while I'm in here, I might as well replace the battery and this little guy. This isn't broken, but it was cheap. So why not replace it? It looks like this is a screw here that I need to remove. There's a screw. Hey, it's moving. I'm just being very slow about it. I don't have the proper bit, I don't think. Yes, I'm aware I make stupid faces with concentration is happening. You might catch me with my tongue out. Or making a stupid smile. Oh, it wants out of there. It's out. We got it. Get off of here. Alright. That little screw sucks. You know, I don't think that's a tri-wing. I mean, oh god. I think it just went into the 9th dimension here. I actually found it. You know, maybe it is a tri-wing, but I just don't have one that's fine enough. Now, what is the next step? I need to get the battery. The battery has a connector on it, right here, and that actually is under this area right here. You need to get to this in order to undo this first so that you can pull the battery out the other direction, sorry. Pull the battery out this way. I have to scrape all this stuff off. Not gonna make you watch that. So I'm assuming if I do a little bit of dremeling here on all these little welds, maybe I can pop this off. See if I can just pop it off right now. Doubtful. Well, maybe I shouldn't be working on top of the brand new battery. It's hard to tell if the rivets popped or not. Okay, Dremel time. Okay, let's see if that did anything. Whoa, I got under it. Oh, there we go. I can get this with my fingernail, maybe. Oh, yeah. What did I hit there? Nothing. Here it comes. All right. So there's some adhesive on here that in the video I watched that heated it up a little bit. So they could just remove this this connector right here. Hey, got a little bit right there. Let me show you how small this stuff is. Here's a quarter. Yeah. Come on, Goop. You can do it. Oh, great. It puts some on the side right here. Really thoughtful. Thank you. Hey, that's up and out. Is free. Get this stupid ass glue out of here. I understand they don't want it to pop out, well, inside the pencil, because then it's dead, basically. So I really shouldn't be complaining about this. It's not like a middle finger from Apple. It's just, like usual, it's just, actually serves a purpose. It's actually necessary. Okay. Well, now that that's out, I have to figure out if I can just pull this out. Can't break it without the Dremel. Okay, finish breaking this off here. Okay. I'm actually pulling quite hard now. And I'm running out of part of the battery to grab. I keep breaking it off. I noticed that I can use this to grab onto. And I think, actually, now that I mention it, this is welded onto there. Oh yeah, you need to Dremel this part, or else the battery's not going to move at all. Okay, I forgot. I have a tool that was made especially for this, basically. A little grinding pen. Hey, I got under it. Okay, please break off of there. Please. Please. Now to pray that this doesn't break. Pull out slowly. It's coming out so smoothly now. It was really just that. Whew. Wow. So I have to get this out of here and replace it onto the other battery. Oh no, did I break this? Did I break this, or was it already broken? That's not cool. Yeah. That's this part right here. Okay, hopefully I can get this part back on. If I have to replace it, that's gonna be another few weeks to order the part from China. And I'm super impatient, so. But at this point, I could put the new battery in and test this thing out. So I got this connector off of here. I'm just gonna connect it from the outside here. And this may not even have a problem with the battery, so. There we go. Oh, it went right in. Nice. Time to test dirty iPad. Okay. Should probably just do this. Okay. Oh, there it goes. 46%. Okay. Now. Oh, I should probably put this on here. I don't know if it's necessary. Nothing. Oh, that was my finger. Nothing. Okay, so it wasn't the battery. Okay, next thing. The only other thing I bought to try was this thing. Alright, the next step is that I need to heat up this little black cover here and peel it off. I think I have enough of it off here. Okay. I wish I really had measurements for this part, but we're going to go about halfway in between this, and then another halfway in between there. Oh, there goes a piece of the razor right there. Hope it's inside now. Whoops. I'd love to get that piece of razor blade out. Okay, well I made it to the spot I wanted to get to. Yeah, I'm never gonna see that piece of that razor blade. Nope, there it is. I spoke too soon. I have to heat this up and get the glue off of there. I think I need to heat this up. These are some solder points on here. I need to take this off. Here's the replacement, and it just has these 4 or 8 points. That lines up with these 4 here. Oh, it came off. Okay, let's see if I broke it. Here's this tiny little thing. Oh my gosh, I think I damaged it. It's not looking good. Let's see, let's check continuity. Nothing on that third one. Or the fourth one. That might be game over. Assuming they connect straight through, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I can manage to get a little magnet wire in there. Maybe. Okay, well, I should be able to at least pull this pen out of here with some heat, because there's some adhesive holding it in. Well, or just pull it right out. Okay, I'm gonna try to get some tiny wires in here. Put a little bit of flux in there. I don't want it to get too messy. Okay, before I even clean this up, because I'm afraid it's gonna break, I'm gonna test it out. Okay, battery's in. iPad. Okay. This is gonna stop the connection, I think. Okay, there it is. 25%. Okay. Get the nub on here. Please work. I don't think it's gonna work. Of course not. That's my finger. Come on. Well, that sucks. Okay. Guess I'm not gonna get lucky with this one. This might be it for this one. I'm not sure what else I could do. I'm gonna look up some stuff and see if there's any other parts that I can replace. But this one might have beat me, unfortunately. Okay, I wanted to add something real quick. I've fully given up on fixing this, but maybe this will help someone else. So this part right here seems to do with how it magnets to the side. Anyways, I found out you can safely pry this out. I just forcefully pried it out. Just trying to get inside now that I've given up, but yeah, and then you have access to some of the chips here, some components, some capacitors and resistors and BGA chips and stuff. This is a chip that I just destroyed. Some of the stuff in here, BGA chip here. So I don't know, maybe if one of those things is bad in your case, and that'll help. Cool.